Hello, hi. I reacted to some cosmetics, so I'm trying to remove this. I'll be taking some fresh leaves. In 2 days, all this will be gone. Wash. I just want to show you how I process the leaf and the type of the leaf that can clear rashes, pimples on the face. In case you want to try it too. It's okay. It's in the holy book that people perish because of lack of knowledge. I refuse to be among those that will perish because of lack of knowledge. So I'm gonna get my leaf now. This leaf I'm about to get now, I started taking the leaf like 1 year ago. I really don't know the real name of this leaf, but someone said they call it hospital too far. All I know, the creator of the universe told me that the leaf is working. Since I started taking it, I feel so cool with myself. If you want to really know all the advantages of this leaf in details, feel free to request. I can only tell that and request. Ooh, my best friend. My best friend. I want to prepare the leaves for blending now. The Lord has given me success. I've already washed it before. The Lord has given me success. I will lift him higher, higher. Oh, Jehovah, I will lift him. He has given me success. So I will lift him higher. Cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces so that it will be easy for the blender. I have a small blender, so I don't need to put so much. I just have to cut it to make it easy for the blender. And I'm giving me victory. I will lift him higher. Jehovah, I will lift him higher. Right. It's ready now. It's ready now. I'll take it for blending now. Take it for blending. If it's already in the blender, put some water to the blender. Put some water to it. Then start blend it into pieces. Filter it into a cup, a glass cup. Filter the liquid part of it. You can see so green. It is how it will be looking green. Filter it and drink. Drinking this, I'm gonna detox my body, clear all these rashes on my face. There are 6 different advantages of this leaf I'm drinking, but I'm taking it just for the rashes today. I'll be taking it morning and night for just 1 week. Please, if you want to repeat this with me, please do not overdose. Too much of everything is dangerous. Even too much water in your body system is bad. Please do not take overdose. Morning and night for 1 week, you stop it for some months, is okay. Take note, these green leaves, they only work on the system, works better and perfect when they're fresh. This same leaf, if I keep it till evening before I drink it, the story is different. Drink it fresh. Avoid preservatives. Wow, I can feel my cells, my organs, every body part rejoicing right now because it just taken me a best green leaf. say yes to long life. Say yes to green leaves. Cheers.